Welcome back here to Midday Kentucky. We have Claudia Burnett here and Amanda Goldman, both with KentuckyOne Health. We want to talk about an important issue here. You're working in the fight against diabetes, and you have an expo coming up this weekend that we want to talk about. But first, can you speak to the issue here in our area in the battle against diabetes?
Nationwide, 29 million Americans live currently with diabetes, and a third of them don't even know that they're diagnosed with it. In Kentucky, it is 1 out of every 7 has diabetes.
It's a major concern. Tell us, what is the Diabetes Expo? What is this expo, and what can we expect?
Sure, we are so excited about the second Diabetes Expo, actually. It's going to be at St. Joseph East. It'll be this Saturday, March 18th from 9 a.m. till 12 noon. And we will have a keynote speaker who is Tawny Beckham, former UK basketball player, so we're really excited about that. And he is currently the Health and Wellness Director for the Kentucky Employee Health Plan.
All right.
And then we have a panel of speakers. We'll have an endocrinologist that'll be speaking. We'll have a dietitian, an exercise physiologist, and a pharmacist. And we'll have screenings available as well, foot screenings and cholesterol screenings and glucose screenings.
And will there be a cost for those screenings? And can you talk a little bit more about what will be offered there at the expo?
Sure. The screenings are all free. Okay. Actually, it's a free community event because we want to educate people and let people know about the services that we provide. And we'll have a lot of vendors there that will be giving out some free giveaways and lots of education information. And then our panel of expert speakers really will be able to give a lot of good details that they can take back to take care of themselves and their families.
Why do you think diabetes is such a huge health concern right now in the state of Kentucky and nationwide?
Diet, inactivity, definitely family history. One of the things that we really strive for in our program is also pre-diabetes, diabetes prevention. We try to educate those who are at risk for developing diabetes that it can possibly be prevented. Again, diet, exercise, sometimes medications. Managing it ultimately if you are diagnosed with diabetes. And so we really want to help people to manage their disease and prevent complications.
It's important. That's very important. And you know, it touches everyone. Diabetes, everybody knows someone that has diabetes that's struggling with this awful disease. And you know, for us, you know, with Doug, he was actually diagnosed with pre-diabetes. So this is something that we have been educating ourselves on as well. And I'm so excited to see that you all are going to have the resources there and the screenings. Now, do people, these screenings, I mean, this could catch the fact that they have diabetes when they don't even know it. Is that correct?
Absolutely. Yes. Actually, with pre-diabetes, about 86 million people across the country have pre-diabetes and don't yet know it. So yes, absolutely, we can try to catch somebody, and if someone has a family history or if they go to support a friend or a family member, then we want them to get tested and get screened as well, because we can hopefully provide help.
And what are some of those risk factors aside from, I know you said family history, but from some of the, I guess, the stereotypes that I hear, people associate diabetes with someone who's overweight, and Doug's certainly not. And so I think maybe some people have that in their head when maybe they should be getting these screenings. What are some of those risk factors?
Diabetes, anybody, like you say, they don't have to be overweight to develop diabetes. So definitely family history, age, inactivity. A woman that has ever had gestational diabetes during pregnancy. Certain ethnic groups are much more at risk for developing diabetes than others.
So where is the expo going to take place? And again, so that our viewers can make sure that they can be there and to get screened and take advantage of all these resources.
Yes.
It's going to be at Building 160 North Eagle Creek Drive, which is over on the St. Joseph East campus. It's the building in between St. Joseph East Hospital and the Women's Hospital, St. Joseph East. And we're going to have the first floor and the second floor of that building. We'll have the screenings and the education information on the second floor, vendors down on the first floor. So it's a great opportunity to come out.
And we'll have a cooking demonstration as well.
Yes.
I love that.
We'll be preparing some healthy foods and have recipes there, so some of our chefs are going to be helping with that. So that'll be a great opportunity as well.
Wonderful.
Yeah, we do encourage people to register online at KentuckyOneHealth.org/Diabetes Expo.
All right. Well, thank you both so much. We love everything KentuckyOne Health is doing in the community, especially offering these free screenings. So I'll post all this information over on our website and on our Midday Kentucky Facebook page. Stay with us. We're back after this.
Thank you.
Thank you.